Majority of them will be in rural areas. Average per elector is between 750 to 850, less than 900 in any case. The model polling stations will be set up in all the states and UTs, and there will be specially women-managed polling stations. Webcasting shall be 100% in all the polling stations, and there will be Divyang brothers and sisters managed polling stations as well. The electoral exercise in India is one of the largest and most unique exercise in the world. For example, in Assam, the polling teams undertake arduous journey of 50 to 60 kilometers from Majuli via ferry and road, cross Brahmaputra river, and finally reach the remote Dhanegana polling station where 248 electors are there, and they reach there by